Hello everyone, welcome to my Audio Expos YouTube channel. Today I am going to unbox and review Honor's Choice Bluetooth speaker. Let's check how is it.
Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh.
In conclusion, this Honor Choice Bluetooth speaker has good bass, mid and high are acceptable according to its price. It has compact design and easy to carry. It has equalizer, application support, and hands-free call is also good. So in my point of view, it is good Bluetooth speaker in cheaper price.